Welcome to SoluSoft Document and Workflow Management System. Now, we showcase the fast, secure, and seamless digital signature feature of N2wDMS. Key benefits of digital signatures include enhanced security, paperless process, save time and effort, improved tracking, faster approvals. Here, the Bhakti user logs into N2wDMS to digitally sign documents. In the pharmaceutical section, under the R&D template, Bhakti applies a digital signature. After the document opens in the HTML viewer, select the digital signature icon to apply the signature. Select the stamp and sign location, and the signing page will appear on the screen. You can place the box anywhere in the document where you want to apply the signature. Enter the sign label and the reason for signing. Here, you can apply the signature using 3 options. First, sign without an image. Second, upload a signature document. Third, draw your signature. Choose the option as per your requirement and apply the digital signature to the document. Here, Bhakti chooses the first option and signs the PDF. As you can see, the PDF is digitally signed successfully within just a few minutes, making the process quick, smart, and efficient. With N2wDMS, you can seamlessly manage and apply signatures across thousands of documents. Clients, including top enterprises from around the world. Want your document system fully automated? Just call us, we make workflows simple and smart. Thank you.